Glass is one of the most important materials in the modern world. From skyscraper windows to smartphone screens, it begins its journey inside massive industrial factories, where heat and precision transform simple raw materials into crystal-clear perfection. The process starts with four key ingredients. Silica sand forms the foundation of glass. Soda ash lowers the melting temperature. Limestone improves strength and durability. And recycled glass, called cullet, increases efficiency and sustainability. These materials are carefully measured using automated systems, then blended in large industrial mixers. Precise proportions are critical, because even small variations can affect the clarity, strength, and quality of the final product. The mixed batch is transported into a powerful furnace operating at nearly 1,500 degrees Celsius. At this extreme temperature, the raw materials begin their transformation into molten glass. Inside the furnace, chemical reactions take place. The solid ingredients fuse together, forming a glowing liquid. Impurities are burned away as the mixture becomes smooth, uniform molten glass. Next comes refining. Air bubbles rise and escape while temperatures are carefully controlled. This ensures the molten glass achieves perfect consistency before it moves to shaping. For flat glass production, the molten material flows onto a bath of liquid tin. Because glass floats on tin, it spreads evenly, forming perfectly flat and smooth surfaces. The continuous ribbon of glass then passes through a long cooling tunnel called an annealing layer. Controlled cooling prevents internal stresses, making the glass stable and durable. Once cooled, advanced machines cut the glass into precise dimensions. Robotic systems handle each panel with accuracy, ensuring smooth edges and consistent quality. For added strength, some glass undergoes tempering. It is reheated and then rapidly cooled with high-pressure air. This process makes the glass up to 4 times stronger and safer. Before leaving the factory, every sheet is carefully inspected using lasers and automated sensors. Even microscopic defects are detected to maintain strict quality standards. From buildings and vehicles to bottles and electronic devices, glass plays a vital role in modern life.